The railway arch. That moment of leaving the familiar world and entering the brick and cobble cavern always catches the breath. First footfall inside is a gently reassuring turn of the ankle, slowing the pace and nudging the senses to retune. Throw a shout at its ancient brick, leave it to bounce back and forth, disturbing only dust. It will not stray outside. Try it. I love it in here. The railway arch of old London is a looking glass, a wardrobe, a TARDIS. Time is taboo, space deceptive. Glistening green fungi, birds' dappled droppings melt and merge, forming hieroglyphics on curving walls that climb to a dome. A train roars overhead. I holler loudly but can't hear myself. The train leaves a smug whirring and crackling track in its wake. In here is the ghost of the industrial age, preserved and protected from progress outside. I pat the dust from my cloth cap. Silence returns, save the drip from leaking mortar. Savouring the sweet and sour smell of sewage, reluctantly I reach the other side and turn for a last look. The pigeon pecks at white, greasy paper. The cat emerges from shadow, moving swiftly, seizing neck and feathers. I smash my palms together and clap echoes like automatic gunfire shock open the predatory jaws. Bird recovers first and flies. In here, I can be a hero.